Hello! Please excuse me. Sorry, that was a bit full on, that hello. Hello! Please excuse me, I've just come in from mowing the lawn. It's a really nice sunny day here at the moment. And I'm just checking the neighbours. It's a really nice sunny day here at the moment in Australia. And I'm just about to do another video. And this video talks about the belt shop, the leather shop that we visited in Grosio, which we visited last year. And so this is our second time back to this shop. And it's run by Adolfo, who is an artisan who makes beautiful bespoke leather belts, shoes, bags, all sorts of things. And he also has his daughter who works there as well. And this year I needed to go back because I needed a couple of belts to be made. So we went and visited him, and after we explained who we were and how we actually had him on YouTube last year in our video section, which I will put the link somewhere there, down there. It will show you basically what he was doing last year, but this year we go back again and we go through making another belt. It is really interesting, and I love the fact that you can pick the colour, you can pick the size, you can pick the style, you can have stitching down the side, you can pick the buckle, and he made it for us in front of us. Maybe you have to order them and walk away, but he was so accommodating and it was really fun to see, and we really love his work and his quality in the leather, his workmanship. Just amazing. You got to go there. I think he also sells online too. But anyway, I'll put a link in the notes just so you can have a look and see who he is and where he's from. I think he's just got an Instagram account. I don't know, but I'll put his details there anyway. So let's go and have a look and see what he does.
Questo?
Yeah. Tua occhi, bella to see. Me no, me.
Fortuna.
At this point, Adolfo was not happy with the stitching, so he undid it all, and you'll see he did it all again. Okay.
The box is good. Oh, that would be painful. Oh.
Questo.
Oh.
Questo.
Oh. Oh, mamma
Questo.
mia.
Oh no.
No, 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 no.
Così.
Oh!
Tagliato
Oh!
e rigano.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Sliced half his finger off
Yeah.
doing this. Oh my God. Yeah, me, yes, yes, yes.
Se no-
Good, good. No, 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 this one, this one. Yeah, yeah. Perfecto. Yeah, 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 yeah. Look at that. Fantastic.
Beautiful.
Try on. Yeah, good.
Maybe one more.
Yeah, maybe one more. One more.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Oh. È finito?
Sì.
Yeah. That's good.
Just slide him along. Yeah.
Ah,
long.
okay. Yeah, for the longer bit. Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, no, nice. Bella. Grazie.
Quella 20 anni garanzia.
20 years.
20.
Gee.
E lì no, 20.
No.
Ok, prendere questa.
Grazie.
Grazie. E prendere questa.
There.
I love how he burns it off.
Yeah.
Fumo. So the thread doesn't. Did you see? Look, anche questo. Cigarette lighter. My. try it on now. Beautiful.
Oh, look at that.
Ma bella. It'll wear after time, yeah. 20 anni.
Oh, beautiful.
Ma bella. Grazie.
So nice here, isn't it?
Oh, it's beautiful. So well done.
Yeah.
I love to see what the buildings are inside.
Mm. Stopping here for a drink of water. There's less reflection. It's all reflection. Oh, there's more. Boo. Oh, God, it's so cold. How's Bum going? Look at this. It's placed
Do you have enough food?
just.
It's a nice day, isn't it? Mm. Cheers. And then? Cheers. Nice.
We're going to ride home with the groceries. All right, here we go.
Come on, puppy.
Wow, beautiful. Look at you. Hey, what's in there? What's in there? More cooking. More cooking. With our inspector here. Hello, Boo. Hello, Boo. Oh, he's so big. Hello.
GS o BS?
OB.
Dipende.
Si chiama
Puppo. È una tabella.
Guarda puppo. Acqua fresca. Here.
Tabella, sì.
Here.
No.
Here.
What's the
No, tabella.
munge the meat?
Here. 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 Here.
son?
Acqua. Acqua beva acqua.
Prendi la foto alla Pupi.
Where? Oh, poor baby. Hello, baby.
Ah, era sotto la finestra.
We'll catch up and have a birthday when we get back.
I just realised there's a tiny time delay and I can see myself blinking.
Oh God. You can see, Tom,
Pretty amazing.
how we roll.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, happy birthday, Tom. Have a really nice day and enjoy your lunch and or what you're doing today. We look tired.
Yeah, bloody oath.
I know. I can't stop yawning. Alright, I'm going to have a shower, go to bed, and I'll speak to you tomorrow. Alright, Tom. Love you, Tommy.
Love you, Tuckaroo.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a good day. We'll speak to you soon. Bye.
Bye-bye.
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 You can press the button.
Oh. Bye-bye.